Alright, what is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to bring you guys with a brand new video. I haven't been recording in a minute. So this is probably like a week or two after ICC. I didn't record anything after that because, well, for ICC weekend, because everything pretty much went to shit. So pretty much the aftermath of this. Well, I brought both cars down. Trailed the RSX. TPS went bad, map went bad, and then ate up my serpentine belt. I don't know how that happened, but I already got a new one on the way. Also, with I'm pretty sure what happened to that is pretty much the alternator. What is it? The pulley got like a little bent up, so that's probably why I ate it. With the pink EK, probably haven't even updated you guys on the YouTube. We did wrap this car. I mean, there's still some spots. It's alright, but yeah, pretty much it gave a shit on the clutch, and then being too low, we pretty much scraped off the underside of the actual fuel line on both the return and the fuel, so I'm gonna have to drain it out and then just cut some new lines. So I'm pretty much just gonna use some rubber lines, just cut the old, all rusted out. I mean, typical Honda or whatever. I mean, it is a 21-year-old car. So basically right now I am getting ready to pull off the transmission. Got all the connectors off, all the grounds besides that ground here, and then take off the slave. Other than that, just pull off the wheels and the axles, and then it should be ready to go. I mean, it's been a minute since we got home, so it is now probably like a week or two after ICC. Had to order a new clutch. Just went with another eBay brand. That one I think it was clutch something. It was like an OEM clutch or whatever. So now I just went with XCD. It's like $60. Don't really matter for it. I'm gonna switch out the motor anyways for this car, so I'm not trying to spend too much. Came with everything I needed. I think this was like a stage 2 clutch. So yeah, hopefully should get it done in probably like about an hour or so. Right now it is 4:21. Reason why I'm starting it so late is because it's like 90 degrees out today and this whole week. So like, as you can tell, I'm already sweating. I mean, it kind of cooled down, so I'm out here right now. So let's get right to it. Alright, so pretty much got the axle nut off. I used like a 1 1/4 inch drive. I got the whole set all up there. Anyways, right now I need to take that upper control arm, upper ball joint, my bad. Just gotta take the safety pin and the 17-mil nuts, and then we should be ready to drop. Well, I'm gonna hammer this out and then drop the shit, and then hammer this in. Alright. Alright, I don't know why my camera started recording, but that hose pulled out. There it is, fucking dripping a lot. Those axles are fucking done, which is shit. Yeah, other than that, you need to take off the bolts for those, the slave cylinder, and then the top like 4 bolts in the shield, and it should come right off. So I'm gonna get to it. I'll update you guys in a second. Alright, so last bolt here. Nope, everything just dropped. Oh fuck, I forgot the slave. Alright, so just dropped down actual transmission here. Everything looks good. Bearing is kind of looking like worn out or whatever, but you know, no input shaft play. Things still intact. So yeah, get this out of the way. Jesus. So you can see right there, a little clutch thing we have going on here. If I can just focus. Some like scoring on some places, so I don't know. Let's take it off and see how the clutch looks. Alright, so Alright, so this is probably like 2 weeks or whatever in, fast forward from like the last clip or whatever. I got everything all situated, forgot to record, but I was having some issues with like clutch problems. Thinking it was a clutch again, but turns out just I needed to re-bleed my brakes, the actual clutch. And then that was that. It drove fine, and then my axle started to, you know, give out too, so I had to change both of them. Got the new ones in. Everything in here looks freaking rusted. So anyways, today, I mean, this is all going to be in one video. Got some new brake pads there, and rotors. So yeah, I'm going to install these today. And then I also picked up yesterday from some guy like an hour away. I got new upper, pretty much camber kits for the front, since these, like, you see that it's all loose and shit, and it's like kind of stripped out, can't tighten it anymore. So yeah, other than that, I'm gonna just take you guys along, just changing those out, doing that, and then probably when my girlfriend gets back, whenever I'm done with this, we're gonna take it for a car wash. So yeah, but yeah, let's get right to it. Alright, I'm gonna take the 2 bolts back here for the actual bracket for the brakes. It's gonna be a 17 mil, and then the actual just brake caliper itself, it's just gonna be, I think it's a 12, or it might be a 14. No, it's a 12. Yeah, I'm gonna take those off, and then we'll see where we go. That's gonna go, and then just gonna put these 2 17 mils back on there. Fuck. And it's done. Alright, got it. Okay, got this out. So get the one in the cord. Holy fuck. Jeez, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm fucking sweating. And it's probably like about 6 or 7 now. Oh man. Alright, I just need one. Whatever, I'll just take all of it. Both eBay, both trash. This one, I don't know if you can see the threads. I don't know if it'll focus or not. Oh, whatever. But the bolts on that too, well, the nut on that thread is all fucked up. And it doesn't even fucking work. Alright, let's get this one put in. Take this card pin out. And see if I can do this with one hand. Oh shit. Need to get the Allen keys. And gotta max out the camera. Cause dance boy out here. Oh. that. Alright, didn't even fucking record anything of that, but I got these all tightened. They're all put back on the thing now. Looks pretty good. I mean, that's maxed out camber. I didn't do that side since that one's still brand new. I don't know what happened to that one because, like, it's not even a month old. So I didn't want to spend any more time taking that out, taking the battery out to get to the bolt or whatever. But now I need to get alignment because that toe is like in a little bit, and this one's pretty much straight. Other than that, it's all good now. So yeah. Fuck sakes, dude. It's fucking hot out here. So I'm just gonna clean up and then we're gonna go for a test drive, and then my girlfriend's showering right now. Once she's done, I'll clean up and we'll go to the car wash. So yeah. Alright, just got to the car wash. About to wash this dirty little hoe right here. Lighting is kind of iffy. It's kind of like greenish, grayish, or whatever. Alright, I'm trying to get some B-roll if I can. If it's shaky. Okay, sorry. Alright. Kind of sucks when someone doesn't hold the camera for me. Fuck you. Anyways, so got it all rinsed down. I'm gonna dry it off. But this is probably where I'm gonna end off the video. So yeah, we are planning on doing some very special things in the future with this car. So stay tuned for that. And once she fucking does something for it. Anyways, so yeah, so this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe. Do whatever you guys need to do to stay up to date with me when I upload. So yeah, see you later. What?
No.
Say it. Don't be a pussy.
Shut the fuck up.
You fucking pussy. I'm just kidding. It's going to be a birthday. I'm going to have sex with her.